Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. By the way, this is my first video on YouTube. Please support me. Before we go, I want to introduce myself. My name is Riska Amelia Putri. I am from second semester in Mathematics Education, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, UHAMKA. Here we go. Hello everyone, today I want to explain to you about number. Before you go, I want to introduce myself. This is my profile. My name is Riska Amelia Putri. I am the second semester in Mathematics Education UHAMKA, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education. My motto is, what you plan, you will get. What is number? Number is mathematical concept used in counting and measuring. There are 4 kinds of numbers. The first, cardinal numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3. 2. Ordinal numbers. For example, first, second, third. Third, multiple numbers. For example, once, twice, 3 times. Last, fraction numbers. For example, a half, 1/3. Numeric count operation. In basic mathematics learning, there are 7 integers count operations. The first, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, power, root operation, and the last is fraction. Examples and how to answer questions. The first, addition, read, add, plus added by. For example, 5 plus 2 equals 7. 35 plus 5 plus 65 equals 105. 3, 12 plus 10 plus 3 plus 50 equals 75. Subtraction. Read, minus or subtracted by. For example, 10 minus 3 equals 7. 30 minus 10 minus 2 equals 18. Last, 22 minus 7 minus 1 minus 4 equals 10. C. Multiplication. Read, multiplied by or times. For example, 5 times 2 equals 10. 2 times 9 plus 10 equals 28. 6 times 7 minus 2 equals 40. D. Division. Read, divided by. For example, 50 divided by 2 equals 25. 25 divided by 5 times 2 equals 10. 70 divided by 2 plus 5 equals 40. Next slide. Power. Read to the power of, or squared or cubed. For example, 2 squared equals 4 or 2 to the power of 2 equals 4. 3 cubed equals 27 or 3 to the power of 3 equals 27. 4 to the power of 4 equals 256. Root operation. Square root or cube root of. For example, square root of 9 equals 3. The next example, cube root of 125 equals 5. Next, fraction operation. Read over. The first, the addition of fractions. For example, 1 over 8 plus 3 over 4 equals 7 over 8. The step is, the first one, looking for least common multiple of 4 and 8 is 8. 2. Do the division and multiplication. 8 divided by 8 times 1 equals 1. 8 divided by 4 times 3 equals 6. Add up the numerator and write down the denominator. The result is 7 over 8. The subtraction of fractions. For example, 12 over 5, 12 over 5, 12 over 5 minus 2 over 20 equals 46 over 20. The step is, looking for least common multiple of 5 and 20 is 20. Do the division and multiplication. 20 divided by 5 times 12 equals 48. 20 divided by 20 times 2 equals 2. The next step is subtract the numerator and write down the denominator. The result is 46 over 20. See the multiplication of fractions. 2 over 6 multiply 2 over 6 times 3 over 4 equals 1 over 4. The step is, times the numerator by the numerator. 2 times 3 equals 6. Times the denominator by denominator. 6 times 4 equals 24. The result is 1 over 4. For the last is the division of fractions. For example, 11 over 4 divided 4 over 5 equals 55 over 16. The step is, in the second term, change the numerator into the denominator and denominator becomes denominator. After that, times the numerator by numerator. 11 times 5 equals 55. Times the denominator by denominator. 4 times 4 equals 19. The result is 55 over 19. Maaf. Finish. Thank you for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, thank you so much for your attention. Thank you for watching my video, and I will to see you on my next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.